This is experiment 5. This is using a touchscreen to send a password to a phone over Wi-Fi. And we'll just start out the test first. Right. And refresh the web page. As you can see, that is the password. Add a few more characters. And the password updates. The accept button does not do anything. It does communicate back to the device, but there's nothing hooked up to it. I felt that a blinking LED just doesn't really matter in the context of the experiment. So how this is set up is the same setup from experiment 4, which is the touchscreen that's Adafruit compatible with a Arduino Uno on the bottom. And because all of the pins are covered up, I had to solder the transmit pins, the RX and TX, a couple of extra jumper cables out of the bottom. And that is what is communicating between these two devices. The 8266 is running its own code, and the Arduino Uno is running its own code. Sending between the two is a communication protocol, which I just kind of made up, which is a start character and a stop character, and in between is the actual password, which allowed the debugging to be done over the serial communications as usual, without having the Huzzah 8266 board pick up all that traffic. It is only listening for that start and stop character, and takes that string that's inside there to make this password. So even though this is a touchpad, you could adapt it for any characters that are ASCII compatible. The 3.3 volt power is because this 8266 is really power hungry, and it will try and function, but doesn't function correctly. So if you are doing this and get a lot of errors, I would definitely try increasing the power to the device first. The 8266 actually drew more power than 3.3 volt on this Arduino Uno could provide with the touchscreen, which is why this secondary one is here.